I believe we got all the excitement going on in the neighborhood right now because everyone's just launching stuff around here. It's 4th of July, guys. We love you. We hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are. You have anything to say, babe? I don't have to say everything.
No, I found another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Well, before it gets too loud down here, let me go ahead and open up today's video here. We're out with some family. We're down here at Culpeper for 4th of July. Getting ready to partake in some of the 4th of July events. And yeah, that's what we're up to. So welcome into today's video. And I'm not sure where we're going to go with it yet, but I do know there's tons of food trucks hopefully down here. So we are going to partake in some of the food trucks. This is Lindsay. I don't know what she's doing with the mask, but she's here to hang out with me today as well. My wife and the other girls are up front here. We'll either see what kind of trouble we can get into, or I don't know. Let's see what's going on.
Did you stop to take it in when you drove by this evening? It's all
At any point, if I refer to Karen and the girls, well, this is Karen.
Hello.
So we're hanging out with Karen and the girls in the park. We got a hayride going on over here.
I know, Serenity would love the hayride.
Serenity would love the hayride, but she's with Nana and Papa and she's participating in hayrides. She's participating in hayrides, fire truck rides.
Oh, yes.
Painting the face.
And bingo.
Inserting picture
bingo.
here, bingo, you name it.
You name it.
So, but we're here having a little fun right now. Alright guys, we got us some food and we're gonna eat here. We ended up doing, what was it called? Chicken and fish?
I don't know.
Virginia's best chicken and fish, I believe is what it was called. So we forgot to bring chairs, so we're just parking it out on the grass here. But my wife did the fish and then I did some shrimp. So we'll have to let you know how it is, but according to Karen, it's really good. According to Karen, it's normally busier down here, yes. But she says that normally the streets are packed, the parking lot's packed. So maybe COVID, I don't know. And then this is my shrimp combination right here. Fried shrimp.
It's not crispy, it's tacky. It's like you're ripping it to eat it. I want to try your shrimp. The shrimp breading's crispy. Like, it's decent. But mine is not. Mine is flabby. Like, there is a distinct difference between the breading on that shrimp. I know the tail is gone, but it's just a tail left. But there's a distinct difference in breading there.
Oh, yeah.
It should be the same. But it is not. The shrimp's not bad. The shrimp is actually pretty good. I'd eat the shrimp again.
I haven't even tried my shake yet and she's over there.
Oh my gosh. That's really good. It's not like super sweet. It's made, that is Dutch bittersweet. I bet my life on it. That is 70% Dutch bittersweet.
Should I go get you one now?
No.
Let's just face it, I've got all the good food tonight, haven't I? I had the good shrimp. Now I'm having the good shake.
You want a lick?
Nah, I'll stick to my... Cut. Alright, we're going to wrap up here at the park because of a rain cloud that's forming, and we're going to be responsible parents and get our newborn into cover. We got some fireworks later, so stick around for that. So, but we're going to wrap up here. This has been fun. So that's... You got out of my shot. This is Kimberly, by the way. Say hi, Kim.
Hi.
So we're going to go ahead and blow things up with my cousins here. That's what we're up to. That's what we're getting ready to do. So...
The light, I know. The light is bright.
I believe we got all the excitement going on in the neighborhood right now because everyone's just launching stuff around here. It's 4th of July, guys. We love you. We hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are. You have anything to say, babe? I don't have to say everything.
No, I thought you were going to film Ollie.
Oh, yeah, by the way, but baby trick number 3, don't worry about being quiet around the baby because right here he is. The only thing that's bothering him is this bright light. Is it alive?
It looks like it.
Hello, are you guys in there? Hello? Are you guys okay down there? We are out here in complete darkness as we wrap up this 4th of July. We hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July wherever you were. And it's just neighbors are setting things off. Maybe I'll get a couple more shots for you, but
Maybe.
we are going to wrap up the video here by saying goodbye to you guys. We thank you for watching. We thank you for subscribing. And until next time, we'll catch you in our next video.
Bye guys. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th of July.